Greetings, Sanbonani. Lebitso la ka ke Lehlohonolo Peega, and today I want to take you through a very special journey about this instrument called Lehlohonolo. This instrument is normally used by the southern people of Africa called Basotho. And the anatomy of the instrument, it's as is, it's hollow. Inside, as you can see, there's no other device, and it's just a PVC pipe. Some people use other sort of pipes, but I found out that a PVC pipe works best and it produces better quality, and normally this is the standard of the instrument. What you need to build the instrument, you need a PVC pipe, you need a sharp object of some sort to cut, whether it's a knife, whether it's a side cutter. And very modern days, people start attaching mouthpieces to the instrument. Let's get into building the instrument. So you take a PVC pipe, you cut the edges off, so that they're straight. After you have two straight edges, the other end, which is going to be where you blow, you have to cut it at an angle. The angle almost, it's like 45 degrees. As you can see, that's where you blow. So there you have it. That's your Lehlohonolo. Why the 45-degree angle? Some might want to say. So it has to do with how you play the instrument. So how you play the instrument, where you cut the 45-degree angle, you then place your finger closing half of the hole, not all of it. Then you blow gently at first. Easy. So what happens inside, the science of it is that when you blow, the wind goes in an angle and then it creates sound waves within the tube. So there will be a fundamental, then there will be other partials. So that's the theory of harmonic spectrum. The longer the pipe, the lower registers it plays. The shorter the pipe, the more higher registers it plays. So think of it as a string, whether on a guitar or any string instrument. The longer the string, which is on a fundamental position, that's when it's playing lower registers. But if you place your finger and you are altering the length of the string, which in this case shortening the length of the instrument, you get higher registers. The more shorter it is, the higher the register. So it's the same principle really. But the other thing is that how you blow. The speed of the wind also determines the register. Let me demonstrate. As you can see, there's that alternation. When I push more air, then you get more higher registers. When I'm more relaxed and the air is slower, you get lower registers. Then some people, or most people, then put a finger on the other end to have more decoration really and color for several other elements. Here's an example of myself playing this instrument in a band setting. I hope you enjoyed the traditional usage of the instrument, but as you would know, everything evolves, and in the current day, other people now, instead of using the finger technique, start attaching mouthpieces to the instrument. So you can simply attach this with masking tape, with a gaffer tape or anything. This is the effect. You no longer struggle to play. As you can see, that gives you a wider spectrum of what's possible and what's not. It's all in the practice, really. And let's see how else can you do, what can you do using digital manipulation. So, one section el rilupile of the Lehlohonolo. We can decide to stretch the loop. We can transpose. As you can hear, it's changing color. You can't even hear it's a Lehlohonolo anymore. Okay, let me stop this so that you can hear. This is what we left with. for Lehlohonolo. That's a signal that comes from Lehlohonolo. Probably can use it for a movie score or something. Sounds creepy. You can even give it more volume so that it distorts. But every ibusa doesn't even sound like Lehlohonolo. There. So let's just hear it with our sample. Okay, let's close the sample hanyana. Sounds like something you can sample.